So hi guys, I'm now here in my work and I'm cutting. This is Gurken in Deutsch. I forgot in English. Now I'm forgetting my English. Salad. Making salad and preparing for the guest. I already prepared my other days outside. So today I'm working a little bit late only 1 hour late. So this is my job, you know, and my passion. Gusto ko nag-work sa kusina. Pwede naman ako magtrabaho kung kahit sa labas, sa receptionist, o kahit basta sa hotel. Pero ayaw ko, mas gusto ko sa kusina. That's my dream, you know. It's my dream to become a chef because I also learned from my school. So, pero yun ang napili ko. Gusto ko sa kusina. Mas masaya ako pag sa kusina kasi laging gumagalaw.